Hello, friends. Um, just want to ask who had ATNF on their watch list last night? I'm pretty sure nobody did. This is just a great example right now of how I like to use these races, or how anybody that's day trading and looking for momentum should be using these races. And the way I like to look at them is let the market open, let these things, move around. They start to show up on our race top 10 list. And right around 11:30 Eastern, this is the sweet spot. I really like these setups because you've let the opening ranges establish themselves. And for those that follow me, this is the 10 SMA simple moving average on a 15-minute chart. It's about as simple as you can make it. And these are the entries I like to lean on midday. And when they work, they work. When they don't work, it's just a paper cut. So it's a great risk reward setup to try and find continuation of momentum. Now, I don't trust these setups late in the day. Again, this is the perfect sweet spot right here about 11:30 Eastern. All right, so if you don't have trade ideas, you should get it. If you do have trade ideas, you should make sure that you're catching the top 10 lists on here each day, because this is nothing more than an auto-generated watch list of real-time momentum ideas for you. So good luck. Don't forget to manage risk. And if you don't have trade ideas, you really should come try it. Bye-bye.